In the future, there will be no straws, I promise. Los Angeles, November 2019. The skies are polluted. The world is addicted to oil. But we're here to offer a solution. The Cybertruck, the #1 mode of transport for a cyber girl. The greatest evolution in vehicular fashion and function. I now present to you my creator.
Welcome to the Cybertruck unveil. In terms of off-road performance, it's going to have the best angular approach angle, best clearance heights, best departure angle. For people that really going off-road, this is going to be great. You could basically do the Baja Rally in this thing. We have 3 ranges. So, yeah. So obviously, it'll have access to all the superchargers, be capable of more than 250 kilowatts. We'll reveal the actual number later. And it has onboard outlets for 110 and 220 volts. So you don't need a generator. Yeah.